Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see how to solve the problem of a triangular lamina. Okay. So problem definition is a triangular lamina of 30 mm sides rests on one of its corner on HP such that the lamina makes 45 degree with HP and the median passing through the corner on which it rests appears to be inclined at 30 degree to VP. So draw its projections. Okay. So let us draw first line here. So you can go for 0.5 thickness, 0.25 thickness as it refers to the projection line. Now provide abbreviations. So that's what notations. X, X, Y. Can increase the font size up to 5 mm. Now write above XY line as VP and below XY line as HP. So now as corner is going to rest on HP, so you need to rotate the plane making it as parallel to HP. So then you project it, then you go for rotation of the front view. So now as it is a case of regular lamina of 30 mm sides. Okay. So now we'll draw one vertical line here of 30 mm. It is 90 degree. So now I will add 90 degree. So outside angle now it will become 120. So I will go for length as 30 mm, angle as 210. Okay. So it is to be of minus. You just go for undo. Now take line. Okay, so it is 30 minus 120. Okay, so it is 60 degree inside. 90 plus 50, it is minus 150. So now you just close. So once you've done this one, you go for notation of the corners here. So for better visibility, use zoom window option. Okay. Now place text here. Is what A. Let us take up a small case A, B, and C. Project these reference points over XY line, making plane to parallel to HP. So make sure that these lines are to be 0.13 mm. Now I'll take line, so I'll go for 0.5 thickness as it is. I'm going to just draw a line here. Okay. Now write notations. That's what placement of the points of a triangle in a front view. This one is what A dash. So here you got B dash. In bracket you are going to get a C dash here. Okay. Use fit option. Now resting on corner, okay, it is going to rest on one of its corners on HP such that lamina makes 45 degree. Okay. Now A point is the corner point here. Now this point is going to rest over the HP, making this entire surface as a 45 degree. Now use move here. You turn on copy option. So place and window. So select any one reference point. You just place above XY line, then you cancel it with the help of right mouse button. Now you need to rotate this line in a such a way that it has to become 45 degree to the XY line. Now go for rotate option here, select this line, so pick over here its end point, so you can just go for rotation of the 45 degree. You just take any one reference point and you just rotate here. Once you done it, you just delete here. This one. Let me draw once again. So make this as 0 degree. Okay. Or else you can just draw a line, then you go for marking it with the help of arc. You go for rotate. I will select this line. I will make a reference point. So it has to rotate 45 degree. Okay. Now just delete this earlier line. So now you can just draw with the help of move option. This end point has to touch XY line. Okay. So you take care of the copy option here. That is to be turned off when you go for placing the objects, original objects as it is. Now drop down the construction lines from front view. This is what below XY line. Now select these two lines. So you take care of line thickness here. Okay. So once you done it, again you draw the horizontal reference lines or projection lines from front view. Sorry, from top view. Okay. Now locate the reference points, corresponding reference points here. So now this point is C, this point is B, and this point is A. Now let us take a line option. You just invoke the line option, go for 0.5 thickness. For your clarifications, I am using different colors here. So now this is the end point of the point C, this is the end point of point A, this is what B. Now I am going to join here. Now place these texts. So you just click over and hold down the control key and you just place on required positions. Okay. Now in second line they have stated that the median passing through the corner on which it is rest appears to be inclined at 30 degree to VP. Okay. So now you need to draw the median passing through that corner. So now corner resting is A. So median passing through that one, I will just go for naming it as a D here. Okay. D. Okay. So similarly I will hold and I will make a copy of here. Okay. So now you draw a line of 30 degree inclination. Let us take a line here of 30 degree inclination. So you can go for any length here. Let us go for important is minus 60 degree, sorry, minus 120 degree. Okay. I think it is to minus 150. Okay, 150. Okay. or else you just go in opposite directions. Better you go in this direction. Okay, so minus 30 you can place easily. You can place easily. Now you just measure the distance of AD. For understanding purpose, I am going to just change this name to AD D1 here. Okay. Now measure the distance of AD with the help of, we can go for using a scale here or dimensions. You just click over, it is going to give you the dimensions. It is how much? 25.98. Okay. And similarly measure the distance of AD1, it is 18.37. So now you just draw one reference line here. Okay. Draw one reference line. Now with the help of arc, you just draw a locus of the point D. It is 25.98. We'll go for arc by center point. Now we'll select this is my center point of arc. Radius is 25.98. So now you just draw here. So now you got a locus of point D here. Locus of point D. Now you just to get the locus of point D. Okay. Now again taking A as the reference point here, I'll go for the corner point here, A. Okay. And this point is D. Now I need to draw the D1 here. Okay. So radius is 18.37. Now I'll go for arc by center point method. I'll select this as my center point. So radius is 18.37. Okay. Now remove unwanted portion. Okay. So now you just draw a line passing through the A and D1 point. Go for extending it to touch the XY line. Now, so as the top view has to be rotated and it has to make in alignment with the AD1. Okay, AD1 is to align with AD1 here. Okay. So now you measure the angle. So now this angle is what provided. It is to be 30-degree inclination. So now you just check how much angle you are going to get for the new position of the median. It is how much? 45 degree. Now you go for first move. You turn on copy option. You select entire drawing. Hold on any one reference point. You just place over outside here. Then you cancel it. Okay, you got a copy of 1. Now use rotate option. Okay, you just turn off copy here. Select entire drawing. How much angle you need to rotate? So now you need to rotate an angle of 45 degree. So step angle you provide 45 degree. Now you specify any one reference point. Then you take another one, any reference line. You just rotate here. Okay. Now this it has been rotated to 45 degree. Now again you go for move command here. So select all objects. Okay. So you specify, you just turn off copy option. So you specify end point of any one line here. You just go and place over here. Okay. Now about the text. Now you select it, go to textile option, you make this angle as 0 degree, and here you place sorry, this is to be T here. Now you need to place one more character, that is what a C. Now to get the final view, so project all reference point from new top view above XY line. This point is A, you will get here only, and this point is B, let us draw here, and this point is C. Now just to draw, okay, so just make a zoom window here. So select these projection lines, make them as 0.13. Okay, now trim unwanted portion. Now let us mark, now this point is what, B dash. This point is what, C dash. So now you got a point here, A dash. So to make a copy of the objects, you hold on Control key, then you select object. So you are going to get a plus sign with arrow marks. Okay, so then that means it is copying the objects. So now you join all these points to get the final position. This completes the problem.